Hey, in this video, we are going to discuss how to use Game Dashboard panel on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. To access the Game Dashboard panel on your Chromebook, you have to install and play Android games on your Chromebook. You can simply download any Android games from your Google Play Store. If Google Play Store is not installed on a Chromebook, we already have a video on it. You can simply follow the video. I'll provide the video link in the description box. Once you have installed any Android games on a Chromebook, simply open it. Now to access Game Dashboard panel, simply hover your mouse to the top. Here you will find Game Dashboard option, click on it, and here we have Game Dashboard panel. You can also access it using a keyboard shortcut. Simply press Search and G key. From here, you can hide and unhide Game Dashboard toolbar, as you can see here. You can also take screenshot of a gameplay by clicking on Take Screenshot button. Also, you can remap your keys. For that, you have to turn on controls, then click on this three dot icon to remap the key. Click on plus icon, set trigger, and assign a key by clicking on this pen icon. Then click on done. Here click on done. Now you can use this keyboard remap to play your games. So that's it. This is how you can use Game Dashboard panel. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.